Hi everyone. Today I wanted to speak a little bit about solution focused therapy and how it works. In a lot of forms of therapy, the focus is a lot on the problems. So the client and the therapist look at the problems, they look at the origins of the problem, the history, and they try to find a solution from there. In solution focused therapy, there is instead a shift of focus towards the goals of the client. So the client and the therapist look at those goals, they look at the strengths of the client, and they look for strategies for what has worked in the past and what can work in the future. In that sense, it's a very collaborative approach. So the client and the therapist look for strategies together, and the therapist doesn't give solutions or advice to the client. All those things come from the client themselves. It can also be a shorter form of therapy because if the client is not interested in going deeper and finding the root causes of the issues, it's also possible to find the solutions without going that way. So there's a lot of creativity that comes from the client themselves into finding the solutions, and it can be an approach that can be very fruitful for the client.